In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create GoHighLevel call transcriptions. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have call transcription enabled so your calls can automatically be converted into text, making it much easier to review conversations, train your team, and keep accurate records. Let's start from the main area inside your GoHighLevel account. Once you're logged in and you've selected the correct location or sub-account you want to work with, head over to your Launchpad. This is usually the default screen you land on, but if you're somewhere else in the app, just navigate back to the Launchpad from the main menu on the left. Think of the Launchpad as your home base, where you can quickly jump to all the key settings and tools. From the Launchpad, look towards the lower part of the left-hand sidebar and find the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you control most of the configuration for your account, including things like your company details, integrations, and of course, your phone and call features. Inside the settings area, you'll see a list of different sections. Find and click on the option called Phone System. This section is specifically dedicated to anything related to calls, SMS, phone numbers, and routing. Because transcriptions are tied to your call setup, this is where you need to be to enable them. Once you're in the phone system settings, look along the top or side tabs and click on the tab labeled Voice. The Voice tab focuses on your calling configuration, including call recording and related advanced options. If you manage multiple phone features here, make sure you're definitely in the Voice area before moving on. Within the Voice settings, you'll see several sub-tabs. Look for the one called Call Transcription and click on it. This is the dedicated area where GoHighLevel lets you control whether your calls are automatically transcribed. If this is your first time here, it may be turned off by default. Now, to actually enable call transcription, look for a checkbox or toggle that allows you to turn this feature on. Click on the checkbox to enable call transcription. Once it's checked, your system will start generating transcriptions for calls that meet the criteria defined in your phone's setup and plan. Keep in mind that transcriptions may apply only to recorded calls, so make sure call recording is configured if needed. That's all you need to do. You've now enabled call transcriptions in GoHighLevel, making it much easier to search, review,